me ask you, in a civilized society, is this super useful? Or could this maybe be used against us on like a daily basis? We maybe should pay attention to these things. Please come along with it, because if you haven't been taught how to manage your fear, you might end up over here. And this is part of an adulting process. If you haven't engaged with something that causes you to panic, maybe you should try harder in the world to engage with the unknown, because there's definitely some things out there that'll throw a little trigger into you. In summary, the fear network model states that the network in our brains responsible for responding to fear and then controlling that fear is not working properly, creating the inability for our brains to control fear that is without any sort of external threat, leading to panic attacks. So it's an false evidence appearing real. What do they want to do? Let's give you a pill. Here's some lorazepam or something. Zoloft. Here, we'll make it a thing for the rest of your life. Or you can learn how to use your brain. You're probably going to do better if you learn how to use your brain. What gets worse? Panic attacks. If a patient has experienced a panic attack, most will resolve spontaneously within the course of 20, 30 minutes without interference, right? So before you can even find a doctor to write you a script, to give you drugs, to get rid of the panic attack's gone. However, benzodiazepines and a whole bunch of other things is what they juice people up with, because if you go there, they're going to sell you something.